Hello everyone. I'm going to tell you about fireworks. So, do you know what people do on 4th of July? Some people have a picnic and some people set a fireworks. Fireworks begin in China. First began in China. Then it comes to Europe. So some men set the fireworks when they win the war. So that is the symbol of when you see fireworks. That means some country has won the war. Like if your country has the fireworks, that means your country is winning the war. So, for example, if you see a fireworks, what do you think? And what color is it? What do you think? What color is it? So you see, it starts with the word fire. So that means fire have a color, red, orange, and yellow. It's very bright. So that use every color that is bright. So if you look at it, it's very bright. But now the use is just a little bit because it's hurt the kids and it's hurt trees because fires can make trees hurt like that. So kids, if they touch it or they go near it, they will touch the fire and they will see out in the finger or something that they go near, it's going to burn. So now let me ask you some questions. What do many people do on July 4th? A. Have a war. B. Light fires. C. Eat fireworks. D. Set off fireworks. You are right. It is D. Now, number 2. Fireworks first begin in A. Europe. B. China. C. Picnics. And D. England. It's China. It's B. Now, next. Fireworks are a symbol of A. Winning a war. B. Having a picnic. And C. Red and blue. D. Burning down trees. So, it's A because this is a very easy answer. So I already told you. It's simple. I use every question to tell you. So, when I tell you, remember what I tell so you will know what the question and you can answer it right. Why should you be careful with fireworks? A. They start wars. B. They are quiet. C. They hurt kids. D. They are green and white. The answer is C. It will hurt the kids. And now you have all your answers is right. So that right now you already know about fireworks. So you can ask the question for everyone. Then you can tell them again. Then you will know. You can know it again. Remember it. So let me tell you why you need to tell someone that didn't know, because you can remember when you tell, like if I telling you, I already read it. I telling you that this means that I already remember it. And I tell someone, I will remember it again, and I will always remember it. So goodbye.